yung gusto mong puntahan na direction. I like your, title ng song mo? Kawakamay. Kasi even in the whole chorus, it talks about, it talks about not letting go or pakikiramay and being, solid dun sa tao. So, it's very clear. Maganda siya. Yung I Don't Know,
More poetic siguro.
oo, it's more poem. I could see that it was a poem set to music, no? So, siguro you have to try to experiment with stuff na parang mas clear. Oo nga pala. Limaya na yun. Kasi, let's try to do something, no? Maybe using the kind of approach that we had here. Saan na yun?
Pwede pong mapanyo.
Bravia.
Word ba yun?
Heno de Bravia.
Ay, bago. Medyo mahirap yan. No. Okay, something,
9:15.
9:15. Okay.
I like that. Kevin Cox.
I like the way you guys think. Sige nga. Unless gusto niyo na itong mga to, meron kayong paborito
I like
dito.
9:15.
Okay, let's go with 9:15.
Chulala show.
Okay.
Chulara?
9:15 ang title natin. Alright, so, let's decide on the groove or feel of the song. Ano gusto niyo? Medyo
Downer po.
Downer.
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 Downer. Like,
Ayun ang mga di gitara mo.
somebody pick up a guitar and give me something there.
Ano yun?
Medyo blues ba? Okay, hindi, sige. We don't have to play it now. Basta, sige, think of a groove that na yun yung takbuhin ng buong song, ha? Anong klaseng... Sige nga.
Brain falling faster and
Ganon.
Downer.
Sino mo mga nagpa-piano sa inyo? Bakit wala akong narinig ng piano?
Ano po? Pwede po ka lang. Kaya hindi kami pwede dito.
Mas gitara. Kasi, oo nga, mas portable eh.
Thank you.
Paano?
Yun yung naisip ko kanina.
Alright, okay. Okay, sige. Alright, let's stop there. Basta keep that groove in mind, ha? Okay, okay, we have 9:15 as the title, right? So, if we could sum up, kung pwede natin sabihin in one sentence, kung baga summary nung song, ano yung gusto natin sabihin? Yung pala nakalito, 9:15, ano yung gusto natin sabihin? Let's come up with maybe 3 possible summaries.
Serenity.
Serenity. What na at 9:15,
Tahimik po.
tahimik na lahat, parang ganon.
Para sa maggabi.
And,
Suchness of time. Yung paggamot ng oras. How time is selfish to us.
how time is selfish to us. Meaning,
It's never enough.
that you had more time.
You wish you had more time. You wish you could turn back time. It doesn't wait for you.
Alright, okay. That, kumbaga, 9:15 is, so anong connection ng 9:15?
The day is officially over.
Na parang,
Katapos yung
papatapos na yung araw,
The
ganon.
day is officially over.
Because our bedtime, our supposed bedtimes at 10 p.m.
Oh, okay, alright. So, 9:50 and parang there's not enough time in the day or parang gano'n na